Introducing Justick by Smeed, a new line of award-winning display boards for the office, powered by Justick Surface Technology. Say goodbye to pins, tape, glue, or magnets, and say hello to the most advanced whiteboards with clear overlay. Electrical energy flows throughout the entire surface of the board to attract a variety of materials. Simply place your materials on the surface, and they just stick. As featured on NBC's Today Show.
Our tech expert, Katie Linendahl's got it all.
This is Justick. No tape, no staples, no push pins. You just take whatever you need and it sticks right onto the device.
Just like that.
Using Electro adhesion technology for AA batteries.
We got a big version here.
Yeah, we got a big version. I think this is kind of just fun for the office, right?
I love that.
Cool.
Choose from our modern aluminum frames or frameless options and wall strips to display anything from presentations, staff memos, department announcements, and more. Finally, a solution that lets you stand out and be uniquely expressive in the office or conference room. Justick by Smeed, displaying today with tomorrow's technology.